Hi everyone, today in this video we are going to learn about indeterminate forms, that is examples on 0 by 0 form. So let's get started. Indeterminate forms. Suppose consider a limit, that is limit x tends to a f of x divided by g of x, and we know that this limit we can also express it as limit f of x as x tends to a divided by limit g of x as x tends to a. And if after substitute limit f of x as x tends to a means we have to put x is equal to a, and after substituting x is equal to a, f of a if you get is equal to 0. And similarly in denominator, if you substitute the value for x is equal to a, you will get g of a, and after substituting if you get denominator value is also equal to 0, then this becomes 0 divided by 0 form, which is meaningless. But such type of limits we can evaluate by using L'Hospital's rule. L'Hospital's rule. Now, what do you mean by L'Hospital's rule? If f of x and phi of x, if f of x and phi of x be two functions, of x, and if f of a is equal to phi of a is equal to 0, then limit f of x divided by phi of x as x tends to a is equal to limit f dash x divided by phi dash x as x tends to a, provided the latter limit exists. The latter limit exists. Comma, whether finite or infinite. Whether finite or infinite. So this is called L'Hospital's rule. Suppose there are two functions f of x and phi of x, and after substituting if you get in the form of 0 by 0, then what we can do that is limit f of x divided by phi of x as x tends to a, which is of the form 0 by 0, then we can take the derivative of numerator, that is f dash x. Similarly, we have to take the derivative of denominator also. Means you have to differentiate numerator and denominator separately, and after differentiating, if you get finite value or infinite value, then it is said to be L'Hospital's rule. So now I will write first form, that is 0 divided by 0 form. 0 by 0 form. So now I will write the rule how to solve the 0 by 0 form. Rule: if f of x divided by phi of x takes the form 0 by 0 when x tends to a, then differentiate numerator and denominator separately. Differentiate numerator and denominator separately. With respect to x. And obtain a new function f dash x divided by phi dash x. Just you have to differentiate numerator and denominator. Suppose after differentiating you will get f dash x divided by phi dash x, then again we have to put x is equal to a, and after substituting x is equal to a, if you take again 0 by 0 form, then you have to differentiate again numerator and denominator separately. Now as x tends to a, means again if you substitute x is equal to a, comma, if it again takes the form 0 by 0, then differentiate numerator and denominator again with respect to x. Differentiate numerator and denominator. Briefly, I will write nr and dr. Again, with respect to x, comma, the several repetitions of the rule. The several repetitions of the rule are sometimes necessary to evaluate the limit. Necessary to evaluate the limit, and this rule is called L'Hospital's rule. So now I am going to clarify this rule by taking some examples. So now let us move to the examples. Find or evaluate the limit. X minus sin x divided by x raised to 3 as x tends to 0. Okay, so this is the given limit, x minus sin x divided by x cube as x tends to 0. Now I will write first limit x tends to 0, x minus sin x divided by x cube. Okay, now first simplify the limit. Simplify the limit means we have to put the value for this x is equal to 0 here. If you put x is equal to 0 here, you have to put x is equal to 0 here, and we have to put x is equal to 0 in denominator. What you will get? X is equal to 0 minus sin 0, x is equal to 0 and sin 0 divided by 0 cube is 0. But what is sin 0? Sin 0 is also equal to 0 divided by 0 means you will get 0 divided by 0. So in such cases we can use L'Hospital's rule. And what is L'Hospital's rule? You have to differentiate numerator and denominator separately by L'Hospital's rule. Okay, that is equal to, I will write limit x tends to 0 as it is. What is the differentiation of numerator where differentiation of x? Differentiation of x is equal to 1 minus. What is the differentiation of this sin x? Differentiation of sin x is cos x divided by, what is the differentiation of x cube? Differentiation of x cube is 3x square. This is first differentiation. Now we have to put again this x is equal to 0. If you put x is equal to 0, what we get? This is 1 minus, I will write here 1 minus cos 0 divided by 3 into 0 square. 3 into 0 square. So if you simplify this, what you will get? 1 minus, what is the value of cos 0? Cos 0 is also equal to 1 divided by this 3 into 0 square is 0, and this is again in the form of 0 divided by 0. So next again we have to use L'Hospital's rule. And what is L'Hospital's rule? This is limit x tends to 0. What is differentiation of this 1? Differentiation of 1 is equal to 0 minus. What is differentiation of cos x? Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x, and this minus into this minus becomes plus. that is sine x divided by differentiation of 3x square is 6x. Now put x is equal to 0. If you put x is equal to 0, you will get that is sine 0 divided by 6 into 0. And if you simplify, you will get sine 0 is 0, 6 into 0 is 0. Again, you will get 0 by 0 form. So we have to use L'Hospital's rule again. That is limit x tends to 0. What is differentiation of sine x? Differentiation of sine x is cos x divided by. What is differentiation of denominator 6x? Differentiation of denominator 6x is 6. And now put again x is equal to 0. We get that is cos 0. Cos 0 divided by 6. And what is cos 0? Cos 0 value is 1 divided by 6. Here you will get a finite value. So on simplifying, you will get 1 divided by 6, which is the required solution.